Hi, I'm the king of working on laundromats, and this is my job today, taking out cast iron. Want to watch? Stick around, you won't be disappointed. Well, welcome back, friends. If you're just joining us, we're moving top loaders, we're ripping out cast iron. Fun project, you're with the king, so let's have some fun and make a video. Oh, sweet. They got lazy the way they did it. You want to see what's inside a drain? Look inside that bad boy. All that yumminess. Well, that got a bunch of ooey goodness. Maybe we got water leaking out one end. We got, look at that. Look at how full that is of crap. It's 80 years. Oh, this is disgusting. Look at that. Look inside that, huh? It's a little farther than I wanted to take it out, but sometimes when these come apart like this, you gotta take it out where it's gonna let you. Don't wreck the hat. Oh. Oh, there goes. Hey. Long live the king. You don't get this on the other channels. That's definitely for sure. It was so loose I didn't want to leave it because if I had a loose joint down in there, I'd never know it. Now what I'm gonna do is clean all that dirt away. I'm winded. Cast iron's a pain, it's heavy, it's awkward. Got a bead on it, even for the king. It's not easy. So I'm gonna dig around that, clean that out good, and then we're gonna shove our 4-inch pipe in there and start building up to get to these washers, and we'll start unhooking all these. These are cast iron flanges. They're unbolting beautifully. And I probably said that too soon, but the first one went. Come on. She's in there. Got tons of move for you. And now we'll be able to build from that. We'll push it down. I should have just banged that in, but you got to be careful because you damage that and you're not getting them to connect. It's all corroded. These nuts won't come off. They won't even turn these, which sucks. All these are going to be busted off. Look at how full that pipe was. That's insane. That's just crazy. There's no way that was draining real well. I thought it was cleaned out, but man, that's horrible. Shame on me. You're gonna be mad at me, but I did some of the work. This is what it looks like so far. I had customers in here. Even though I have signs up, I had customers in here left and right. I couldn't believe it. So we're gonna do the last couple things here. We're gonna glue. Glue cleaner. If you didn't know, there's clear cleaner too. That's what the professionals use. But I'm the professional homeowner, so I use the blue stuff. Now the standpipes there are for the top loaders. We're gonna hook all 3 into here. That's gonna have a cap because we have a trap there. That'll have 2. This will have a machine here, and there's a machine right there. Then 2 machines will feed that one. Oh, here goes the water. Nope, got a leak. That ain't good. You saw it here, folks. It's going down that part though, but we still got a leak. See, I don't get perfect first time either, but I don't give up. Here they are running. This is what they look like running. Quiet. They got timers on them. Nice touch screen. I'll tell you what cycle it's in, time left. The machines are in Spanish and I can't figure out what to do. One of the coolest things about these machines, this is probably one of the cooler things, is you can have all these different languages. That's a game changer because I would say about 50% of my customers are Hispanic. So that's going to be a game changer for them. One thing I'm changing in my laundromats is I'm doing dual signage, English and Spanish. I know people will be like, "It's America, blah, blah, blah." Get over it. You got customers, you got to treat them right. You got to treat them like their family. And when they come in here and they can't read nothing, they don't know what number to call or what the sign's saying, and they're confused. That's not going to help you get customers. That's not going to help you get more customers because they're going to tell their friends. And so I'm going to do everything I can to make this dual, English and Spanish, right off the bat. The fact that these do even more languages, that's even cooler. But it's a thing I do to help make it more user-friendly for the customer, which is the point. Making your laundromats user-friendly is the point. So those 4 running too. That one's plumbed. The 4th one's plumbed. They're sleep mode. So these 3 need to be plumbed in yet, and we got to fix that drain. So we got to get a boot. Oh, found a quarter. Appreciate it. I appreciate all the views. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch videos. I'm glad you find it interesting. Like always, take it easy. I hope you're doing well, and God bless.